Now we'll be solving exercise 8.4, question number 5, subpart 2. We have to prove that cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A is equal to 2 sec A. See, first step, whenever in numerator and denominator there are more than one terms, you always put them in bracket. Second, you have to remember, when there are two ratios, you can either do cross multiplication or you can take LCM. Answer will be same. When there are more than two ratios, you have to always go for LCM. Second. Third, you have to remember the identities. Means whenever you see 1, it should come to your mind, it is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Or second formula is, you can remember the second identity as sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1, or 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. So you have to remember these identities and these sums will become very easy. So let us start with left hand side. What is left hand side? It is cos A into cos A plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now what is cos A into cos A? It is cos square A plus 1 plus sin A the whole square divided by, it will be 1 plus sin A into cos A. Now what is this? Cos square A plus 1 plus sin A the whole square. It is A plus B the whole square. So A square plus 2AB, यानी 1 square plus 2 into 1 into sin A plus sin square A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Remember, whenever you see sin square, cos square, bring them together. So this will become sin square A plus this sin square A and this cos square A. I am bringing them together. Cos square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A divided by, it will be 1 plus sin A into cos A. So this will become sin square A plus cos square A is 1 plus this 1 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. See, you are writing sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So here you have to write the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next. So this will become 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. What is 2 plus? So you take 2 common. 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. That's cancelled. So this is 2 upon cos A. 2 upon cos A. See, now there are two ways. If you understand 2 upon cos A, 1 upon cos A is sec A. Okay. If you don't remember this, you know the last stage of a trigonometric problem is cos A and sin A. So you cannot go further this. So now you take right hand side. What is right hand side? 2 into sec A, which is equal to 2 into 1 upon cos A. And you have left hand side equal to right hand side. Or you can go further for this also. This is equal to 2 into 1 upon cos A and this is equal to 2 into sec A, which is equal to right hand side. See, if you can solve this till this answer, it is okay. But suppose in exam you are confused and you are not remembering this, you stop here, because beyond cos A you cannot do anything. You can do sec A, you can convert into 1 upon cos A. So you start with the right hand side. So you can either stop here, then you prove right hand side equal to 2 upon cos A, left hand side equal to right hand side, or you further solve it and prove it to sec a. Okay, anything is allowed. Here what I am doing, I am converting my a to c, my b to c, c equal to c. I told you that method. And here what I am doing, I am converting my a to directly b. Anything is okay. Okay.